Today, we are going to be learning the G sound. What sound? The G sound. When we make the G sound, our mouth is open. G. We're going to use our voice and our tongue to help us create that sound. G. Your tongue will touch the top of your roof of your mouth to help you create that harsh sound that you hear when you say G, G. Let's go ahead and practice. Can you say G, 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 G? Repeat after me. G, G, G. Great job. Let's go ahead and try some G words. These are words that have the G sound. Repeat the word after me. Ready? Go. Give. Get. Goat. Girl. Where did you hear the G sound in those words? We heard it at the beginning. It was our beginning sound. Now let's listen to see the next words. Repeat these words after me. Ready? Big. Hug. Rag. Leg. Log. Where did you hear the G sound in those words? We heard them at the end. Very good. Nice job practicing your G sound today.